This video tutorial is about an overview of Practina admin panel. So this is the panel where the admin can view everything related to Practina, be it the business owners being registered, the partners getting their commission, the support tickets being generated, and the post templates being created for the post planner for business owners, and any other query and any other data that is being handled or created in Practina. So I'll start with the left menu. So first thing that we have is the dashboard. And on the dashboard, we have quick starts relating to subscription plans, business owners who have registered, partners who have joined Practina, post templates which have been created to fill the post planner of the business owners, image templates which are being converted into the final posts, the categories which are there in Practina when the user signs up and the business gets associated with a certain set of categories and subcategories. So if you click on any of these data tiles, like total paid subscribers, total free trial subscribers, and etc., you can go into the detailed screen of all these statistics. So I'll begin with the left menu. Before we proceed, I would like to tell everyone that we have two filters for data that we are showing on the Practina admin panel. One is live and another one is dummy. So whatever data that is created after applying this dummy filter will be created as a dummy data, be it live, be it any panel, any server. If I am creating a data, if I'm viewing a data using this filter live, it is all live data. It is the real data. And the dummy data that if I have applied any filter, whatever data I'm going to create or view on the dashboard, be it in under any section, it is a dummy data. So I am applying back the live filter. So starting with the categories section. So we have in the list the industries which are there in Practina against which a user can associate its business while signing up. So if I click on any of the industry, I can get into the edit screen where I can rename this industry and I can create hashtags against each industry. So when the user associates its business, selects any industry while signing up, while creating his business, registering his business, he can all the hashtags which are being created will get associated with that business and will come up as a suggestion while creating posts. So against each industry, I have a count of the sub-industry, specialty, and the services each industry has, and the number of posts which have been created for this specific industry, the images which have been created for this industry, the hashtags, and there is a status that is if this industry is active or inactive for the users to select on front end, if it is published or unpublished. Then there are certain actions associated with it, that if I can edit or delete this industry, if you click on the name, you will be able to edit the details of this specific industry. And you can apply filters to it based on the keyword, industry status, whether it's active or inactive, approved or rejected or pending, the post statuses, like under which industry, how many approved posts are there, how many pending and rejected posts are there. And then post template types, which have been created under these industries. Then you have status, again, another status for the industry type. So you can apply and you can create another industry by clicking on add. So here it asks you for entering a new industry name, hashtag, and it will get added. Similarly is the case with the other industry subcategories, which are the sub-industries and specialties and the services. So here is the list of specialties which have been created and the associated industries under which it was created. and similarly the services which are there under this specialty, and post count, image count, hashtags and their statuses, and the actions for editing or deleting the specific specialty. I can also click here and create a new specialty. For this, I have to select an industry first, following the hierarchy. And once I select the industry, I can create a new specialty under the selected industry and the hashtags. If I click on save, it will get listed here among the other specialties. Same goes for the services. So here are the list of all the services and under which these services were created, the specialty name and the sub-industry name and the industry name under which it falls. So there is a hierarchy which we are maintaining here. First comes as the industries, then sub-industries, specialties, and then services. There is no hard and fast rule that this hierarchy has to be strictly followed. We can we can omit creating a sub-industry or a specialty for creating a service, but it is mandatory to select an industry. Next is the image templates.